Now we are going to discuss six long answer type questions from straight lines for the Board of Intermediate Exams. The first question is of the model circumcenter when three vertices of a triangle are given. Next one is orthocenter. Next one is foot of the perpendicular. Next one is image of theorem. Next one is 4p square plus q square is equal to a square, and last question is finding the equations of the lines to the point of intersection of two lines and at a distance of 2 units from the given point. These are the questions we are going to discuss now. Let us take the first question, circumcenter of the triangle. First question is circumcenter of the triangle. Let the vertices be. Vertices of the triangle be A of minus 2 comma 3, B of 2 comma minus 1, C of 4 comma 0. Let S of alpha comma beta be the circumcenter of the triangle. Circumcenter. Let ABC be the triangle, circumcenter is S. We know that circumcenter is equidistant from the three vertices. We know that SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Squaring on both sides, squaring on throughout the equation. So SA square means the distance between S and alpha. The formula for distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is alpha plus 2 whole square plus beta minus 3 whole square. SB is distance between B and S. Alpha minus 2 whole square plus beta plus 1 whole square. SC is equal to alpha minus 4 whole square plus beta minus 0 whole square. Now expand this one using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formulas. What will you have? Alpha square plus 2 alpha, 4 alpha plus 4 plus beta square minus 6 beta plus 9 is equal to alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 4 plus beta square plus 2 beta plus 1 is equal to third one, alpha square minus 8 alpha plus 16 plus beta square. Once observe that alpha square beta square can be cancelled from each of the terms. Now let us write this one. What is that? 4 alpha minus 6 beta, 9 plus 4 13. The second one we have minus 4 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4 plus 1 5. Third one is minus 8 alpha plus 16. That's it. Now let these equations be 1, 2, 3. Let us equate 1 is equal to 2, sir. What will you have? If bringing alpha and everything into one side, 4 alpha plus 4 alpha, 8 alpha minus 8 beta, 13 plus 5. So this is equal to alpha minus beta plus 1. Let it be fourth equation. Now let us equate 2 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3, 8 alpha is written, minus 8 alpha is written left hand side, 4 alpha plus 2 beta, 5 minus 16, minus 11 is equal to 0. Let it be the fifth equation. One equation is alpha minus beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Other one is 4 alpha plus 2 beta minus 11 is equal to 0. Solving 3 and solving 4 and 5. Solving 4 and 5. I am using cross multiplication method. Minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 11, 4, 2. So alpha is equal to first determinant by last determinant. Last determinant should be in denominator. 2 plus 4, 6. For beta also last determinant is in the denominator. 11 minus 2, 9. This is equal to second determinant should be written here. 4 plus 11. What is that, sir? 3 table. 3 by 2. 15 by 6. 3 table only. 5 by 2. Therefore circumcenter is equal to alpha comma beta, right? So that is equal to 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Next question, second one is orthocenter. Orthocenter of the triangle. Let the vertices be A of -5 -7, B of 13 comma 2, C of -5 comma 6. Let us understand what is orthocenter. For orthocenter, we need altitudes congruent points. Let the vertices be ABC. Let AD and BE be the altitudes through A and B respectively. Altitude means that there is a line passing through a vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. So let us find the equation of altitude AD. Equation of altitude AD. First, for that one we need the slope of BC. Let us write the vertices here. This is -5 comma 6. Slope of AD, slope of BC, slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is that, sir? 4 by -18, so -2 by 9. Since AD is perpendicular to BC, imply that slope of AD is equal to reciprocal of sine of slope of BC and sign change. So that becomes 9 by 2, because m1 m2 is equal to -1. So slope of AD is equal to 9 by 2. So we can find the equation of AD. Equation of AD is we have to use A point here. Formula is y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to slope m into x minus x1. Calculate that. 2y plus 14 is equal to 9x plus 45. Write everything on the right hand side. 9x minus 2y, 45 minus 14 plus 31 is equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Next, equation of altitude BE. For altitude BE, we need slope and point. B is a point. We need slope. To get the slope of BE, we need slope of AC. So slope of AC means that slope of AC. Find the slope of AC. Slope of AC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is that? y2 minus y1 by slope of A point and the C point, right? What are those points? AC slope. 6 y2 minus y1 by 6 plus 7 by minus 5 plus 5. So that is equal to 13 by 0. That is equal to, not defined, sir. 13 by 0, keep it like that. Since AC is perpendicular to BE, slope of BE is equal to 0 by 13. That is 0. So therefore equation of BE is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So that implies that y minus 2 is equal to 0. Let it be 2. So orthocenter is equal to point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2. So 2 implies that y is equal to 2. Substitute that one in 1. 9x minus 2 into 2 plus 31 is equal to 0. So 9x is equal to minus 27. So x is equal to minus 3. Therefore orthocenter is equal to minus 3 comma 2. Once observe that sometimes we may not get y is equal to directly. In that time we have to use the cross multiplication method, elimination method, substitution method to find the point of intersection. Next, third question is foot of the perpendicular type question, because this question and the image next questions are most of the pattern is same. What is given here? The foot of the perpendicular, P of h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular. P of h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular from P to, sorry, I'm wrong. Let P, the diagram is wrong. Let A of x1, y1 is a point. P of h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular from the point A to the line ax plus by plus c. Given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let it be 1. Clearly observe that P of h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular, mean that can we say that AP is perpendicular to 1? Clearly AP is perpendicular to 1. That implies that slope of AP into slope of 1 is equal to m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. What is slope of AP? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. K minus y1 by h minus x1 into slope of 1 is, slope of a straight line is minus quotient of x by quotient of y. Cross multiplication, we have h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Let it be r, say. So this one implies that h minus x1 is equal to ar, k minus y1 is equal to br. That implies that x is equal to x1 plus ar. Let it be Roman 1. K is equal to y1 plus br. So till here, till this box, we have to write the again in the image theorem. Now what changes is that clearly h comma k lies on 1. H comma k lies on 1. What is that? AH plus BK plus C is equal to 0. A into H is x1 plus AR, B is K is y1 plus BR plus C is equal to 0. So AX1 plus A square R plus BY1 plus B square R plus C is equal to 0. Bringing R common, we have A square plus B square. Writing the remaining terms in the right hand side. AX1 plus BY1 plus C. So R becomes minus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root of A square plus B square. Once observe that this R should be substituted in Roman 1 equation. So Roman 1 implies that, therefore 1 implies that h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. It is done. Next one is fourth image theorem. Image theorem. The diagram changes. So P of h comma k, right, is the image of, so P of h comma k is the image of this one, A of x1 y1. Once observe that AP is perpendicular to the line. This is the line given. Once observe that till this bracket you have to write that, till this box. What I am going to kept in yellow color, from here to here, this box you have to write for the image theorem also. So once this box is done, clearly midpoint of AP lies on, midpoint of AP lies on, this is 1, right, lies on 1. What is midpoint? Midpoint of AP is equal to h plus x1 by 2, k plus y1 by 2. So it lies on 1, it lies on 1, imply that substitute that a of h plus x1 by 2 plus b of k plus y1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. Ah plus ax1 plus bk plus by1 plus 2c is equal to 0. We know that h is equal to x1 plus ar, right? Plus ax1 plus b into k is y1 plus br plus by1 plus 2c. So 2c is equal to 0. Now write this one. Bringing again r common, what will you have? A square plus b square. Writing remaining terms on the right hand side, and 2 is common here. ax1 plus by1 plus c. So r is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Therefore Roman 1 implies that h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of r is this one only, ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. The fourth question is done. Fifth question. For the fifth question we need a reminder here. Suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line. From origin its perpendicular distance from origin to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is mod c by root a square plus b square. This is the formula I am going to use now. Let us start that. Once read the question. If P and Q are the, what is the fifth one, right? Sorry. If P and Q are the lengths of the perpendiculars from the origin to the lines, given lines are, what is the first line? X secant alpha, y cosecant alpha is equal to a. I am going to change this one because I like sin and cos better than secant and cosecant. X by cos alpha plus y by sin alpha is equal to a. Take LCM sin alpha cos alpha. Sin alpha x plus y cos alpha is equal to a sin alpha cos alpha. Let it be 1. One more equation is given. What is that? X cos alpha minus y sin alpha a cos 2 alpha. Let it be second equation. P is given as, P is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to 1. What is the formula? Mod c by root a square plus b square. Mod of a sin alpha cos alpha, c by root a square. A square is sin square alpha plus b square is cos square alpha. So that is equal to a sin alpha cos alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1, right? This is P. Multiplication both sides by P 2. A into 2 sin alpha cos alpha. What will you have? A into sin 2 alpha. Squaring on both sides. 4p square is equal to a square sin square 2 alpha. Q is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to 2. What is that? Mod c by root of a square plus b square. A square is cos square alpha, b square is minus sin alpha whole square, that is sin square alpha. So that is equal to a cos 2 alpha. Q square is equal to a square cos square 2 alpha. What we need? 4p square plus q square, right? Now 4p square plus q square is equal to, what is 4p square? A square a square sine square to alpha, a square sine square to alpha plus a square cos square to alpha, that is equal to a square common sine square to alpha plus cos square to alpha. So a square into 1 a square. Therefore 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. Sixth one question is that, listen to me. Find the equations of the lines passing through the point of intersection of the lines. So given lines are 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. Let it be 1 and this one be 2. So let us find the point of intersection of these two. Cross multiplication method only. Let us understand that what it means. Cross multiplication 2, 4, 3, 2, 5 minus 1, 2, 5. Let P is equal to point of intersection. Listen. So the point of intersection is third determinant should be written here. 15 minus 4, 11. First determinant is here only, minus 2 minus 20, minus 22. Second determinant is 8 plus 11, minus 2 comma 1, right? Let us understand the question. Minus 2 comma 1, point of intersection. So our question is that find the equations of the line passing through the point of intersection, minus 2 comma 1, and having at a distance of, what is the distance? 2 units from 2 comma minus 1. So these two lines are at a distance of 2 units from 2 comma minus 1. So any line, let the m be the slope of the required line. Let m be the slope of the required line. Slope of the required line. What is its equation? Y minus y1 is equal to, we should not take this point, we should take this point, passing through that point. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So mx minus y plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Let it be third equation. Now third equation can be this line or this line. But these are at a distance of 2 units from 2 comma minus 1. We will have to use perpendicular distance formula to get the value of m. So 3 is at a distance of, since distance of 2 units from 2 comma minus 1. So equate that. 2 is equal to perpendicular distance from 2 comma minus 1 to the line 3 is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, root of a square plus b square. The formula is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 is 2 comma minus 1. What is the line? This is ax plus by plus c. Okay, we have to apply that slowly, substitute and get the answer. So now 2 times of root of m square plus 1 is equal to, this is 2m plus 2m, 4m, 2 comma 2m plus 1, 2 can squaring on both sides, we get m square plus 1 is equal to 4m square plus 4m plus 1 cancel, 3m square plus 4m is equal to 0, m common, 3m plus 4 is equal to 0, m is equal to 0 and m is equal to minus 4 by 3. So equation of the line, so m is obtained, right? So equations are passing through which point? 2 comma minus 1. Passing through which point? Passing through minus 2 comma 1, right? So Equations of the lines are y minus y1 is 1 is equal to m is 0, x into x minus 1, and y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this one is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 0, and this one is equal to 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. So 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So we are done with this equation. So yeah, so these are the liquids which are very important. Affinity Academy, the motto is beyond the grades there is a life. Take care, all the best.